Hey guys, this is Zelda and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do one of the first acro skills that I learned, which is a back bend or a bridge. In order to do more advanced skills like an inside out or a back walkover or a back handspring, you need to be already able to do a bridge. Also, if you happen to like the activewear that I'm wearing in this video, you know already, go to the link down in the description and use my code, which will appear right here on the screen as well as in the description, to save on all your orders. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. To start, go into a seal stretch and arch back as far as you can. Next, we're going to stretch out our shoulders by doing pinkies together. Next, take one arm and pull it across your body. And repeat on the other arm. Now take that same arm and reach it above your head, reaching down your spine. And repeat with the other arm. Now bend over and grab your hands behind your back and try to straighten your arms. Next, we're going to be stretching out our wrists, and this is important because we're going to be placing weight on our hands during the bridge. Next, go into a knee bridge, and you can do the modified version or the regular version. Next, stand facing a wall and hold your palms up, step in and turn around, placing your palm on the wall and walk step out into a back bend. Go back to the starting position and repeat on the other arm. Now start facing away from the wall, and we're going to repeat this exercise on both arms at the same time. This is the last exercise, so we're going to do our bridge now. To start, lay on your back and place your hands by your ears and bend your knees in as close to you as possible. Then push up into the bridge and try to straighten your arms and your legs. To do this, step at your feet and push your weight over your shoulders. So much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video, and make sure you rate, comment, like and subscribe and share to your friends. Bye.